at the Boulevard Mall in Las Vegas, Nevada. Wow.
I like the logo on the back.
Custom SnapCab. OTIS Gen3s. Oh, look at this little simple COP right here.
Third floor. Going down.
Stay in here. Let it close a little bit. And it's got the 3D door sensor, so when you walk up to it, yep.
It works too.
And the hoistway light's on.
Oh, it is?
A little bit.
Oh, yeah.
Here's the full COP on this side.
Please stand clear of the closing doors. First floor.
Want to ride one more?
Sure.
Going up.
So similar to Macy's in Pasadena, there's 4 elevators that serve 3 floors.
Going up.
You first.
I hear the Ghostbusters theme.
Mm-hmm.
Oops.
Third floor.
104 degrees?
Yeah, but it's 97 on this
Going
side.
down.
Dude, it says 104 for me.
Yeah, but it's they're different.
Oh my god.
Hey, look, that's Toronto right there.
Good old Ontario.
First floor.
There's like a protective film barrier around here.
Going up.
Call it just and see if another one comes.
We're gonna get kicked out of here pretty soon. Shit, at this point, better ride all 4. Nah, I'm just.
Reading my mind.
Nah, bro, I'm not
Yeah.
doing it.
Yes. Yes. No, he says.
Third floor.
My turn.
Going down.
Dude, you're tied.
Yep.
No!
Oh my god.
Nice.
Okay, meet you at the bottom. I got a head start.
First floor. Going up.
Hi.
Going up.
I'm not riding that one. That'll be it.